and a milkshake. So let's get started. So for this you need some Oreo biscuits, some cashews, sugar and a cup of milk. So let's get started. Now you need to separate the cream from the biscuit. Like this. You need to do all. Now you need to cut them into small pieces and mixy them. So let's go. You keep the cream aside so that we can use it later. Now you need to add sugar also in this. Now divide some amount from this powder. Keep this aside. Now you need to add some cashews and mix it. Now you need to make this powder into a dough by adding little bit milk. Now after making it into the dough, take some amount of it and roll it. Now flatten it out. And take the cream which we had removed at first. Take a little bit and keep it inside like this. Now close this and rub it so that it looks like a ladoo. Your ladoo is ready. Like this, you need to make many more. So our sweets are ready. Now let's make the milkshake. For that, you need to bring the powder which we separated before. Now add 2 spoons of it. No need to add sugar because we already added while mixing. Now add the milk. Now you need to mix it. That's it. Our milkshake is ready. You can garnish it with some Oreo biscuits also. So our 2 items with Oreo are ready. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and a very happy New Year. Don't go outside, stay home, stay safe and celebrate the New Year with your family members. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you again with another video.